What up guys, the Hamster Kombat season 1 is over and we are expecting the results of season 1 very soon. Now the season 2 is live and we are no longer mining coins here. We are on diamond hunts right here. We are going to be searching and getting diamonds every single day on our application, but we no longer need to tap because tapping here is now useless. There is no point tapping anymore because when you tap you are getting nothing on your balance. All right, so in this video I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how you can start accumulating some diamonds on your balance right away. All right, you can see I already have 10 diamonds right here. I'll be showing you things you need to do in order for you to start earning diamonds on the Hamster Kombat application. All right, so guys, if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here right now, you need to stick to this video to the end. Season 2 is live, and in case you did not participate in season 1, you can still join on season 2 to mine some diamonds right here. I'll be showing you how you can mine some diamonds in this video. So the link to the Hamster Kombat application is in the description of this video. You can go down and click on it and you are going to join us. All right, now quickly, for those of you who have already mined in season 1, you can click on the airdrop section and you are going to be sure if you are eligible for this, because there are some people, if you click over here, you can see how mine is looking. Season 1 is over and all that. Now there are some accounts that got banned for cheating the system, and if they click on the airdrop section, they're going to get this message over there telling them that cheating is bad, that they cheated in the last season. So if you get this message on your account, it means that you are not going to be getting anything from the season 1's airdrop, so you are disqualified for the season 1. You are not eligible for it. So guys, next time do not cheat the system. Don't try cheating the system. It's probably those that use the key generator that really got this issue. So guys, next time do not try using any bots or auto clicker on your account. All right, but I believe you still have the chance to continue and do the season 2 according to what they wrote right here. All right, now in order for you to start getting diamonds here, the first thing to do is to click on the earn section. Click on earn, and once you get here, to get diamonds quickly, to activate your mining, you just scroll down and follow. Maybe you try follow them on Facebook, you get your diamonds faster. Follow them on Instagram, you get diamond. You join Telegram. These are things you've already done in season 1. You just have to click on them to confirm. All right, so let's quickly confirm that we've been in their Telegram channel. Just you click on check and it will take you to their Telegram channel just like this. I'm already in their Telegram channel. If you participated in season 1, you must be in this Telegram channel already, so you can just go back then. Maybe you click on check again and you're going to get. All right, so you can see I just got diamond. Now for those of you that already had referrals, you can just come over here and click to accumulate some of your diamonds. All right, I'm just going to check on this and I collect. I'm going to collect these diamonds. All right, now what you are going to be doing with this diamond is, let's go back to the home page. You can see over here, now you can see you still need your profit per hour. So this is what you are going to be using. This profit per hour is what you still need to increase, all right, with your diamonds. And how do you increase them? Click on the playground, all right, and then you can see where it is written mine cards. You can see mine cards here. Now I already have cards I've already activated. That's why I'm already earning with my profit per hour. All right, so once you come to the mine cards, click on the new cards. Okay, so over here you can just activate these cards and you are going to start earning with them. You have to upgrade them. Just upgrade this card. All right, these are the things you can do first of all to start earning. I'm just going to upgrade everything anyway. I'm just going to upgrade everything. I'll use all. All right, so these are my cards that are going to be generating more diamonds for me. Now apart from using cards, you will need to play games. You can see the games that are up here. I think these are the 3 most important games for now, although if you go to the playground, there are whole lots of games. You can see here games. All right, we still have lots of games you can use here and to earn more of these diamonds from this application. All right, now and also the mini game is still available, so you can always play the mini game and receive 1 diamond per day. All right, if you like, you can use the EXA puzzle and you can also get more diamonds. All right, now the thing is, we are waiting for the results from the previous season. If you click on memories here, you can see a preview of what we did in the previous season, like the cards that we unlocked. These are the ones you can, take your time to check them out. Then you click next, you see the number of days you were active on this application, that you logged in, number of days that you logged in, you claim rewards. These are the number of days. I got 175, and these are number of cards that I unlocked in the previous season. All right, about 2,776 cards. You are also going to see that. All right, and these are the number of coins that I also earned while playing the game, both from profit per hour, daily combo, daily cipher, and while even tapping the games. Now this one wasn't included in the game, so these are just maybe new games coming up in the nearest future. All right, so guys, that is it. We're going to be waiting for the results for the previous season. All right, I want you guys to know that the off-chain deposit method will be over in the next 7 hours. So guys, the next thing for those of you that want to use the on-chain method should be ready. You have to make sure you have some TON in your wallet. That's if you're using the TON Keeper or any other non-custodial wallet. You are expected to have some gas fee, some TON coin in your wallet as gas fee. I do not know how much, but try and have like the minimum of $1 worth of TON coin in your wallet. But I know the gas fee won't be up to $1, but just have like $1 worth of TON coin in your wallet to be on the safe side. All right, so that is it about the Hamster Kombat application, and this is the new season. So all you have to do is to try and get more diamonds. You can play games if you have the time. If you are the gaming type, you can play games to increase your account. All right, and also let's quickly check the skins is now free. Every one of these skins are now free for everybody. You can take any skin you want. I wonder why some people were even buying a lot of skin in the previous season. Skin doesn't really matter. All right, that's it about the Hamster Kombat. That's the update we have right now, and I'm still going to be bringing you guys more updates on this once they release the results and so many other things on the Hamster Kombat. So guys, now if you're not in my Telegram channel, you should hop in right now, because that's where I'm going to be dropping more updates before it gets to YouTube. All right, so go into my Telegram channel right now and you are welcome. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.